Hey guys, installing a hitch on your Acura RDX can take you to some really cool places, like camping, bike riding, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. So let's go ahead and jump into this easy installation. You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation. So our first step in the installation is going to be to lower the spare tire. Our vehicle does not have a spare tire, so we're going to go ahead and jump into lowering our exhaust. Each side has 2 rubber isolators. We're going to have one in the back and one in the front. But first, I'm going to go ahead and support it with our strap. So on the second part of the hanger, it's really tight, so our exhaust pliers didn't really have enough room to move. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to a pry bar. We'll go ahead and repeat on the passenger side. Now that the underbody is prepped, we can go ahead and get our hitch into position. I'm going to be using a U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have one at home, it is a good idea to get an extra set of hands, as the hitch can get very heavy. So let's go ahead and get it into position. Now that we have the hitch into position, we can go ahead and install our hardware. We're going to be using our hex bolt with our conical tooth washer, making sure that the teeth is facing the hitch. Now that we have the hardware in place, we can go ahead and torque down all of our bolts to manufactured specification. Now that we have the hitch installed, we can go ahead and put our exhaust back and our spare tire if you did lower it in the first part. We're going to add some soapy water to help ease the installation of our rubber isolators. We'll go ahead and repeat on the passenger side. With the vehicle on level ground, let's go ahead and get you guys some important measurements. So we have a 2-inch receiver. From the end of the bumper to the hitch, it's going to be 2.5 inches. From the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver, we're going to have 14 inches. That's going to help you determine your length, rise, and drop of your hitch accessories, such as bike racks and cargo carriers. And that's the installation of the Acura RDX. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.